Here's the Subaru Outback. Now there are door sensors on each of the 4 doors. I'm just going to show on the left side door. It's the exact same process for the right side doors. Open the front door and right over there is a sensor. We need to get this one bolt out. For that you can either use a thick Phillips head screwdriver like this or a 10mm socket ratchet combination. This 10mm socket ratchet combination does a better job because it gives you a better grip on the bolt to head over there. Let's go ahead, loosen that bolt and take it out completely. Do not lose it. It's important. Get the sensor out, and now we need to get the electrical connector off of the sensor. So press down right over there where I'm pressing with my thumb, and then while you're holding on to the connector, pull the sensor off. Do not let go of that electrical connector, because if you let it go, it's going to get pulled back into the body, and then it's going to be a lot more work to fish it out from there. So just go ahead, get the new sensor, and then slide it back onto the connector and click it in place. And now let's just put this back into the body and hand tighten this bolt first, and then tighten it down using the socket ratchet combination. And it's important you do this properly, because without this bolt the new sensor will not work. This bolt is what completes the electrical connection there. Let's try this out. I'm pressing over here and it does reflect it over here on the dash. That means the sensor is working, and that's good. Moving on now to the rear door. Exact same sensor, no differences whatsoever, but I'm going to still do it just so I can show it to you that it is in fact the same thing. Let's just get this sensor out, and a small trick is you can use a bolt to push down the electrical connector there. It just makes it easier as opposed to just using a thumb. Get the new sensor, replace it, and then just put it back in the body, and then let's just tighten this bolt down just like the front sensor. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.